people picnic. We are back with another one. Let's get to it.
Fun fact about me. Actually, really sad fact. Actually, really sad fact. I'm not even joking with you. But I've experienced two explosions and one arson in my entire life. And although they were really cool, they were also really tragic.
What?
But for the other people, not for me. Because honestly, maybe it was traumatizing for me.
Did she set it? Did she do the explosion?
But like, I'm fine, obviously, so it's obviously not that traumatizing. But the first one that I experienced was called the Nally Valley explosion, and we were driving over it, and then all of a sudden we hear boom, and this huge, I look to the side, and there's this huge mushroom cloud and Axel flying in the air on fire, like from a semi truck, and the whole car heated up, and we pulled over and stopped. A white person was driving. Love you guys. But we pulled over and stopped to look at it, and we're like, what the fuck is going on? All the cars on the freeway stopped, so maybe it wasn't like a race thing, but most cars did. Some cars left, but I remember that pretty vividly, and maybe that is traumatizing because I was like 6 to 10 years old when this took place. I have to look it up to know for sure, but it was fucking crazy, man. We fucking kept going after that, and we went to Costco, and like, it turns out the whole city felt that shake and like felt that explosion, bro. We reconnected with my mom and my brother's friend. They were at a birthday party, and my brother's friend was like sobbing. He was like, I hope my mom and dad are okay. Was that an earthquake or something? We're like, no, it was an explosion. And we fucking saw it, bro. We fucking saw it. We saw it fucking happen. Okay, maybe I am a little traumatized by this. Anyway,
What?
the second explosion I had, I was actually kind of like manicky, but I was driving, and I don't know. Anyway, I was driving, and I was turning the corner. I was in my city. Oh, now you guys know if you Google Nally Valley explosion. I was in Tacoma, and I was on 38th Street, and then I hear boom. I look to the side, a fucking gas station fucking explodes because a car fucking runs into it.
Whoa.
And I'm like, what the fuck? I pull into the McDonald's parking lot. I start having a panic attack. I'm like, oh my god, and the police are like, get the fuck out of here, get the fuck out of here. I don't know if they're seeing the F word, but they're like, get out of here, get out of here. And I'm like, roll down the window. He's like, you need to leave. And I was like, I'm having a panic attack right now. Okay, see, maybe I had trauma from that other explosion, because why was I reacting like this and like froze instead of fought and fled? But then the police officer was actually really kind. She was like, oh my god, I'm so sorry. She was like, breathe, it's okay, but you gotta get out of here, it's not safe. So then I left. The other one was, I was driving down the street. This is the other night, actually, and I was driving down the street, and I was on 19th in Sprague. I'm just dropping my ads, but if you're from Tacoma, you know what I'm talking about.
You definitely dropped our location all the way through.
And I literally looked to the side, and there's this guy lighting a fire in a bush, and I thought it was just a homeless person, like, because they like sometimes do that around town, is like they light like little like campfires to keep themselves warm. So I thought that's what it was gone wrong. But then people started pulling over and calling 911, I guess, and the bush was on fire. And in my head I was like, that's Moses in the burning bush. That's a sign from God about something. I don't know what I was thinking, but I just kind of kept driving because it seemed like people had the situation handled. But
Your mind.
yeah, I don't know how to feel about this stuff. Like, if I should be traumatized, or if I should think,
be.
like, am I a chosen one? Like, because that stuff happened to me. Like, am I special in some kind of way? Like, why does God keep sending me these explosions? Am I gonna explode? I'm paranoid about exploding or being an explosion now. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, like that last one, I went home, and the next day I was looking at the Tacoma news, and it turned out that that fire I saw was actually an arson attempt by a guy who's been doing arson all around town. So yeah, shout out to that family. I'm glad they're safe. Rest in peace to the people that died in the Nally Valley explosion. I don't think anybody died in that Chevron explosion, but yeah, it was really sad. Yeah, I put, when I do trauma quizzes on therapy, I put, and they said, have you ever seen or experienced an explosion? And I'm like, yeah, I have. And they don't do shit about it. They just want to know, I guess. But yeah.
Why is this so funny? Yo, why does she make? Yo, somebody needs to put her in the movie. Like, there's certain people that needs like just small roles just to come in and just make the whole comic relief just go away. I mean, just come back. I don't even know how, like, she got my mind just about every time I watch this woman, the way she tells stories. And I've been around people that told stories like this, and when in my 20s or in my, like, you know, my early 30s, I would have been annoyed. But like now, I get it. Like, I'm well versed. I'm well rounded. I've been around a lot of people. I understand people now. You get to see different type of people, especially now with social media and all this stuff. That right now, may you be able to react to this. But when you're in the real world, you get to see people like this in just everyday life, and they living among us. And you got to talk to them, because if you go to work or whatever case may be, especially if you end up in a no disrespect, because I'm not disrespecting myself, but if you end up in a dead end job, you kind of meet a lot of people that's kind of like this a bit. I'm not saying she's like the typical dead end job person, because I'm not a typical dead end job. I'm just saying, like, you meet these personalities, not the look. Her look is usually, I see them in like social service or some shit. Or they work behind the counter in the post office or some shit like that. Oh man. Or they're a waitress. Or they're a hostess or some shit. No, she's hilarious, man. But she definitely an explosion and an arson magnet. I hope she stay away from it. I hope she don't explode. But let's get to these comments, man. See what they talk about these comments, man. Dream blunt rotation. You know what? I agree. I pass the blunt, man. And I'm not even a pass the blunt type of person at all, nowhere close to it. But just because, like, you gotta be like, yo, you got it. Matter of fact, fuck pass the blunt. I'm gonna roll you one. Here, take this. Keep talking. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm gonna be in here crying, laughing the whole night. Like, shorty is retarded. A white person was driving, right? Because he said only white people stop. I would agree. That used to be a thing, but I would agree. I don't think white people always stop no more. That was because I stopped. I definitely stopped. Shit, I've been in a situation where somebody had to pull me away from a. It wasn't really an accident. It was like a whole war going on in Jersey City, and people was getting knocked out and all this other foolishness, and it was like a whole big old crazy. I don't know. It was just a whole bunch of dudes that knew each other from back in the day, and was at the Rob Retreat. And one of the guys got hit by a car, and I never forget. And I seen him. I'm like, and I know, you know, a little bit of medical stuff. I'm not no doctor or anything, but I know some certain things. I'm like, oh yeah, help do this, do that, third. My people just grab me like, get your ass out here, boy. You don't help nobody around here. I'm like, what? Oh man, I love it. I love it when people tell trauma stories and realize their trauma is in real time. But I don't think she's traumatized. Oh man, but I'm fine. So obviously, it wasn't that traumatic. Literally me to my therapist while she's like, "Oh man, this was the other night actually." Whoa, what? Oh man, why y'all got the? Oh my god, I can't read right now. Yo, she got me hilarious. She got me. See, I can't even get that out. Anyway, we're gonna end this off, man. If y'all want to go check her out, man, this is Romeo's. What's her name again? Romeo's Show on TikTok, man. She is hilarious the way she tells stories, man. I'm not even a TikTok person, man, but I've been finding myself with it, like, just for the story times. These people are hilarious. I didn't have my own story times, but not on here. I mean, not on TikTok, but on YouTube. I've actually got them privated right now. I'm thinking about unprivating them. It's on another channel, not this channel. So if you watch this all the way to the end, put DM, and I'll send you a link to some of my story times that are not even published anymore, that I've taken down off of YouTube, and they crazy stories. I got even wilder stories to that, but I have never even told. And it's crazy animated and all that stuff. Like, I'm chilling right now, y'all. Like, I love doing these reactions and all of this, man. I like doing this with y'all. So again, if you watched all the way to the end, which this is the end, comment DM. I'll send you a link to either a couple of these stories or whatever the case may be, and I promise you would not be disappointed. I promise you. Oh boy, hit the tick and the blicker. You already know it's been going the whole time, man. Y'all don't know why you ain't like, comment, subscribe the whole time. It's because I've been sitting here talking to y'all the whole damn time, and it's been going across the screen right now, and I ain't got it going across the screen for no reason. And that means you should have been doing it the whole time, because if not, that means you gonna die.